Hello out there, YouTube community. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're at and watching my videos. Today we're going to talk about one of the unique ways that you as a private citizen can do your part to help fix the roads in your area. The media likes to portray the police as these brute savages that just harass people and gun down innocent victims that are unarmed in cold blood, like they're these savage brutes, when actually they do just look out for our safety. So I'm going to show you not only how they make the roads a safer place by getting us to slow down, but they also actually help fix the roads indirectly. Okay, and as you can see for this video, I felt it was only fitting to wear the cosplay uniform that I had on Halloween of last year, which is from Raccoon City Police Department. This is a Leon S. Kennedy cosplay costume. This is not a real police officer uniform, obviously. All right, and what you will see is notice of speed division violation. 72 and 55. I know where he got me at, too. I know exactly where I was and where I was going that day. Now, the cops are nice. See, once they get your license plate, they already have your address. They already pull that information up. Now, these speed cameras in Ohio are manually operated by an officer. So if he really wanted to, they could actually give me a full citation. Okay? In Ohio, they charge it as a civil violation in the city of Girard, Liberty Township, different areas in Mahoning County. All right? But you will need the payment coupon that comes from your notice of the violation. You may also notice right here that only the officer's last name and first initials are listed. That is because this is not a personal letter from the cop saying, "Hey, man, what's up, buddy? I ain't seen you in a while." This is a business contact where he caught me breaking the law, and he is in a position of authority because he is law enforcement. So I don't need his first name. Okay, it also has their badge numbers and everything else. Okay, so you got to have a check, for the $135 for this particular violation. And very similar to making loan payments and other things, you will need a stamp. You may need an ink pen. You'll need money in your checking account, so you probably need a job. I do recommend only doing it in your own vehicle, not somebody else's vehicle, because once they pull the license plate, they're going to mail the ticket to whoever owns the car. So if you're using somebody else's vehicle and do it, they're probably not going to be too happy about that. And you just drop the letter in the mailbox, put the flag up, and voila. Now, within a couple months, somebody out in Mahoning County sees a repair truck patching potholes up. Make sure to send me a thank you card. As always, folks, thanks for watching.